Hey guys, and it's another tutorial video today, and today is Google Docs. This is going to be super fun, so let's do this. Okay, so first right here we have the undo button, so let's write tutorial video. But while we're in tutorial video, if you highlight that, you could do normal text or go, I don't know, like heading 3. So now it looks different. You could change the way the font is or the size of it. You can also change if it's bold, slanted, underlined, and the color of it, of course. Let's do a dark green. Kind of looks black. Then we can do highlight too, so let's go like that. So now it's extra green. But to do it back to normal, we just go bop and none, and we just go back to black, and we just click these again to make it not underlined. Then to zoom, we also have to zoom here, but let's make it fit so that it's just 100, so it's normal. Then right here we have the paint format, so we could just paint all that. Or wait. Yeah, paint is like a highlight, I think. Then we have the spelling and grammar check. You can put it on or off. Then we have the print, and then we have the undo or redo. And that's what you can do with the, words. But let's get on with this. So we also have insert link, so you can insert a link, you could add a comment, you can insert an image, so you could upload it from your computer, you could search the web like this. You can also go to Drive and click Photos, or go to Google Photos in our other tutorial video, or do it by URL. And you could just do camera, which is like take a picture of yourself. Then we can make this like go to the left, go to the middle, go to the right, and then just normal. We have line spacing too, so you could just, let's just keep it normal because I don't really know what that does. But we can move this so it's like it changes the numbered list. Then we have the bulleted list. You can turn that on and off. You can decrease the indent or increase it. Like go that way or that way. Okay, so at file, we have share, so you could share. We have new, so you can make a new doc or a slide or a form or a spreadsheet or drawing. You can open a new one. Then you can also make a copy of this one. Then you can download this. You can email as attachment, so you could email it on Gmail and have the link to it. Then you could see the version history or name it. Let's name it tutorial video. Let's name it that. So then let's go for history and see it. And this is when we first started, and this is when we were fixing it. Then we also have to rename this slide, or you could just press that. Let's make this tutorial video. It automatically put that because I had words right here. But we also have, we can move it to a different folder. We could add a shortcut. We could trash it. We can publish it to the web. We could document details, so those are like details. And then language. Click the language, whatever one you want. We have a lot. We have Espanol, English, Dutch, English. I think that's German. And yeah, just a lot of languages. The page setup too, so you could change the page setup. You can also print it. You could undo, we already talked about all this, but cut is Control X, copy is Control C, paste is Control V, paste without formatting is Control Shift V, and then to delete it, select all is Control A. So if we go Control A, then we go Control C, then we go over here and go Control V. We have 2 of those. And then view, we have the print layout. We can like not have that. You could have the ruler, which is on top there, but let's have that. We could have the document outline too, so you can have like this outline right here if you saw that. And you could show the equation toolbar and show the section breaks, and then you could make it full screen. Then also an insert, you can insert an image with all these. Table, which you can do like a big one, a very big one. You could insert a drawing from Drive or just a new one. You can insert a chart from Sheets. Horizontal line, we have a horizontal line now. Oh, we could do a footnote too now, so we could like measure stuff, I think. And then we can insert special characters, so like different language or something. We can insert equations that you can't put on the keyboard or your phone or whatever. You can insert headers and footers. You can insert page numbers, breaks, links, and you can comment on this. And also you can insert a bookmark and a table of contents. A format. To format, there's the text format, which is like bold, all that. Paragraph styles, which is like different paragraph styles. Align and indents, so you could just like over here, same with over here. Justified right, left, and center. Then line spacing, you can line the spacing as 1.5, so we can only do it 1.5. We can also we can also insert column or see the format of columns, bullets and numbering, headers and footers, page numbers, tables, images, clear formatting, and borders and lines. The tools that we have here is spelling and grammar, so you can like show spelling suggestions, show grammar suggestions. I have those on because I like that. We also have word count, so if you go Control Shift C, Control Shift C, we have 1 page, 4 words, 30 characters, and characters excluding spaces 28. Then review suggested edits, we can see what are suggested. Compare documents, we can compare them. Explore, so you can explore different documents. You can link objects, so you can see the dictionary. You could translate the document. You could use your voice to type. You could use script editor. You can see accessibility settings. And you could see preferences. You could also get add-ons here. And then help, you could just see what you need help with on here if you don't understand something. And this, hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorial video on Google Docs. If this hits 5 likes, we'll do more tutorial videos because I haven't done one in a while. But yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed.